Hello and hi, this is Emil with iPhone Minute. I'm going to do another short review on another driving app. This time I'm going to take a look at TomTom. It's a pricey app. You're looking at $59.99 in the App Store, depending if you want to just get the USA version or USA Mexico or the rest. I just went ahead and purchased the TomTom USA. Like I said, $59.99. If you do what I do, or you drive a lot, it's something that you just got to have. Alright, let's take a look at the app. This is the updated version, which is compatible with the iPhone and the iPad. They just did an update which makes the iPad full screen. It looks beautiful. I use this thing every day, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that are making this app a lot better than other ones out there, and making it very reliable comparing to other mapping apps out there. Alright, let's take a look at let's see, when you first get into your car, you'll be looking at navigating. Let's see, let's take it out to navigate. Let's go to recent destination. Let's pick just anything here, like a Livonia destination. Alright, now this is what I was talking about that makes this app different than others. So it's going to calculate your route. It's going to show you your route from where, from, to. Okay, this is what makes it better than the others. You have this extra button right here that, for example, if you don't like your route, if you prefer to, instead of going that way, to go ahead and kind of like go this way, which is probably what I'm going to end up doing, you can do that with this app. Okay, all you have to do, add another stop, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's see, another point on the map. What I'll do is I'll add a point on the map, and I'm going to place the point through the area that I want to go through. So instead of going the way that the GPS is telling me to go, which is that way, I would rather prefer to go this way. So all I'm going to do is zoom into the area that I want to pass through. I'm going to go ahead and tell the app that this is where I want to go by, right there. And now you got the option to select that point, and bingo, starting point, driving via point, and the end of the route. Now I click done, and there it is. Now I'm able to go the different route, the route that I chose after the GPS said the original route. Not only that, but it's also going to give you, now this comes with traffic. In most area has traffic, and the traffic you got to pay extra for. The traffic, it's either $19.99 per year, I believe, or the option that I chose, which was $2.99 per month. Okay, because in case you don't like it, you can just go ahead and not get the next month and you're fine. But if you use it all the time, it's worth it. For example, right here, it tells me that, let's say it's fastest route. Well, I don't have any traffic here. Alright, like the earlier one, it was telling me that, yes, I do have a delay of like 9 minutes, and that will show you before you're done taking off. And if you have a delay or a traffic problem, instead of flashing green here, you're going to have a yellow or a red flash, and it will tell you exactly where your backup is. And it will show you here, you guys, like 6 miles until you run into your backup, and the delay will be a certain amount of minutes. So that is pretty useful. Okay, now if you do a lot of driving like I do, you combine this app with the Google apps. I don't have it up, but this app with a Google map, and between these two, you're going to know exactly what kind of traffic you're looking at before you get out on the road. And it's very, very helpful, because myself, I drive through Detroit. I drive freight through Detroit up and down, and I always need to know where the traffic is at. So one very, very helpful app. Has different options for everybody. I mean, everybody likes their different options. Let's see. I like to have the 2D mode, but you can also look at it as a 3D mode, which is a regular GPS mode. Traffic, I see, 3D mode, daytime or nighttime view, whichever you would prefer. Voice, no voice, you can make her just shut up, and your iPod. those are just quick options. To go to the other options, you go change settings, and now you have your other options. Make sure you set your home, your home address, because that way once you have your home address up, all you have to do is tap navigate to home, and they'll do a quick route from the point you're at to home. Anyways, again, this is Emil with iPhoneminute.com, and just doing a quick review on TomTom, the updated version for the iPad and iPhone. $59.99 in the App Store now. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and bye.